Hello everyone, so today we're gonna be playing some Roblox and we will be playing, I don't know what we're gonna play, but this was actually inspired by logan4449southern, so we're gonna search up which one do I like. Let's do one from Flamingo, and I'll put Logan's channel in the description just because it inspired me. I'll also put Flamingo's channel in the description, but it was called Chuck Lloyd. That's what it was called. I think his name was no. Oh god. Now I don't even know. I should type up Mr. Flum players. Okay. So that's literally okay. Let's go to Emmett Cole because he was the priest in that one video. Gonna rebirth the Cole family. One must find their mask in order to choose to step into their new identity. Let's just see this. Okay. So the branding code, you got Fell code, you got J code, Cat code, Simon code, Ren code, Gon code, Cora code. Oh god. Got Arthur code, Lance code, Emmett code, Jack code, David code, Mars code, Martin code. Let's just see research about this dude here. Then one must do a first in one field to be achieve true birth. One must find their mask in order to trip into their new identity. Welcome to the family. Okay. Mine's Grave. Let's do my home. See what? Oh, this is private. Oh god. Oh, people. Okay, let's just search up Nishi 011 players. Wait, what? Oh yeah, it's capitals. Oh my god, he's playing a game. We are the predators, we are the threat. We can only hold so much pain, much more than power of brain. You can only face our least until you can face the beast. Don't bother running, think about where we coming. Okay guys, so let's go on to arrival then. Let's go on to arrival thing guys. I think I've got to wait. I even hit the play button. I don't think I did. Let's just try again. Oh gosh. Right. Done. Oh no. I think now. Oh gosh. Okay. What the hell is it? Okay. Yeah. Storage, right, security. Security. The army. What the? What's the security?